Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to easily transfer money from your M&T bank account to another bank. If you have got some transfer to make, stick around to see how simple it is to do online. First, log into your M&T online banking account. Once you are in, head over to the payments and transfer menu. From there, select the bank to bank transfer. Now let's go through the 3 simple steps you need to follow. Step 1. Manage your non-M&T account. You can easily link any verified bank accounts that you want to transfer money to or from. Step 2. Schedule your bank-to-bank transfer. Here you can choose the accounts and the amount of money you want to send and set the transfer date. And finally, step 3. View your transfer activity. You can track the status of both past and upcoming transfer to make sure everything is on track. And that's it. Your transfer is now scheduled and ready to go. Just remember there's a daily limit of $2,000 and a monthly limit of $5,000 for this transfer. So plan accordingly. If this video helped, make sure hit the like and subscribe the channel. See you the next video.